Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making fruit salad. No cooking, no sugar, no milk. Makhana 1 cup, lotus seeds, cashew nut half cup. Soak in hot water for 20 minutes. I am using turmeric half tablespoon. You can use any food color. Honey 4 tablespoon. Add little water, make fine paste. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. You guys can use whatever fruits you want. Apple 1 cup, pears 1 cup, banana 1 cup, strawberry 1 cup. Now add cashew and makhana paste. No cornstarch, no sugar, no milk. Yummy fruit salad is ready to eat. Almond chopped 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.